In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your microphone input format on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to select where it says sound. And then scrolling down underneath advanced, select all sound devices, and then select your microphone device from the list. And you can change the input format by clicking the drop down here. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.